Hi, welcome back to Terrific Tip Tuesday. We're going to talk today about the Trinkets wooden shapes, which is brought to you by Close to My Heart. And these shapes come in a little packet like this. They're full of all different shapes and sizes. Nice little wooden cut shapes. I think they're laser cut. They're really smooth. They're very nicely finished. And they're bare wood, so they're ready for you to do lots of different things with them. I received this card the other day from a friend, and she had embellished them with a couple butterflies straight out of the pack, just glued right on. And that's a nice way to use these. Being plain wood like that, they can go with just about anything. Now here's another card. This one will be included in my virtual class for next month featuring the Jubilee papers. These papers have a kind of a country look to them, lots of primary colors and lots of distressed look to them. So this cranberry paper here has some cocoa design in the background. It looks aged, and to kind of amplify that, on the stamped image here, I sponged around the edge with cocoa ink, sponged around the edges of the papers here with cocoa ink all around the card to soften it and bring in that distressed look. So when I went to use the wooden pieces, I have the little chevron pieces here. This is what it would look like if I use it straight out of the pack. But I wanted to, as well, make them look a little bit distressed. And that's easy to do with our little fingertip daubers and some ink. So just by taking a little cocoa ink, I brushed it on the edges of the chevrons and then glued them on here. So that's a good way to make them look kind of distressed. Now, if you want to also add bold color, you can do that as well. You can just take the little wooden shape, brush color on. Here I'm using a cranberry ink pad to go with the cranberry paper from Jubilee. You can brush it on and just do a little outlining of it if you want to, or cover the whole thing with color as deeply as you want to color it. And that would be an extra embellishment if I wanted to add that right onto there for the card, for instance. So try out the Trinket wooden shapes. They're lots of fun to use. There's just such a fun variety. There's birds and flowers and hearts, chevrons, arrows, all different kinds of things. So there's something for every creation you're going to make. Thanks for coming to Terrific Tip Tuesday. We'll see you again next week.